Get noticed in this 2010 Ford Fusion. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.